How would you like to make an incredible hair mask at home just using a few simple and natural ingredients? It's going to restore dry, brittle and damaged hair. The list of benefits is endless. So I'm going to start by adding half an avocado, some coconut milk, maybe about this much, and then whiz it up until it looks a lush, creamy conditioner. It smells and looks amazing, and conditioner you can eat. And there you have it. So I decided to finish my hair with a nice heatless style just to maintain the health as much as possible, but my hair feels really nice and it just doesn't feel as dry as before on the ends. So really impressed with that. So give it a little go and let me know how you get on.